Red and yellow lentil dal. A vegan spicy Indian stew with basmati rice. Hello everyone, I'm Marcus from Culinarisch. Dal is a very rich and flavor-packed lentil stew from India. They use different types of split or whole lentils to make dal, and they serve it with flatbread or rice. The 2 lentil dal I'm going to make today is a vegan protein bomb. Right off the bat we wash 200 grams basmati rice. Always wash the rice 2 to 3 times to get rid of the excess starch. Let it aside to soak. I use 100 grams red and 100 grams yellow lentils. Wash the lentils several times and sift through them to make sure there are no stones or debris between them. Because they are split and hard, they have a short cooking time even without being soaked. Cut 20 grams ginger in small pieces. Crush 2 cloves of garlic with the back of the knife the chef's way. Then sprinkle salt on it, grind it to puree with the side of the knife. Dice 3 medium onions. Don't worry if the cubes are not perfect, just make sure they're fine enough. Cut 6 tomatoes in quarters and remove the stem. I use tomatoes that are already soft because I cooked them anyway, and this is a good dish to get rid of old ones. I prepare 5 liters water with 2 tablespoons salt for cooking the rice later. In another pot, heat up 4 tablespoons vegetable oil and stir fry ginger and garlic for 1 minute. Add the onion to the pot and keep frying 5 minutes on high heat. Now we add the spices, starting with 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon cumin, 1 teaspoon turmeric, 1 teaspoon hot curry powder and 1 teaspoon chili powder, 2 big bay leaves, and fry it for 2 minutes. A crust from the spices will shape at the bottom of the pot. Use the cooking spoon and scratch it off. It will dissolve in the sauce. Add the tomato to the pot and fry them 1 minute. Now add 2 liters water to the pot. Reduce the heat to medium and add the lentils and let it cook for 45 minutes. When the lentils are tender, cook the basmati rice. When the rice is cooked for 4 minutes, drain it and add 4 tablespoons oil to the same pot on high heat. Then get the rice back to the pot. Cover the pot with a kitchen cloth and close it with a lid. This way you steam the grains soft and fluffy. Let it on high heat for about 1 minute. Then reduce it to medium and let it steam for 8 minutes. Meanwhile, I chop some fresh parsley for later. Claw grip the parsley and make sure the knuckles of your guiding hand are in touch with the side of the blade, so that your fingertips will be safe. After 8 minutes the rice should be fluffy like this one. Not sticky at all. Beautiful. You have 2 serving options. You can either plate the rice separately and put the dal in a bowl. Look the creamy consistency and the gorgeous color of the lentils. Or you can dish everything in one bowl. One side the rice and the other side the dal stew. Sprinkle the parsley in the middle. Let me try what I cooked there. The dal is exactly how it's meant to be, creamy, not watery. The fluffy rice with the spicy and flavorful stew takes everything to the next level. If you liked the video, give me a thumb up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.